Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. In today's video, let's have a look at SRCC GBO preparation strategy and study plan. So firstly, let's have a clear understanding of the exam pattern. So as many of us already know, the total number of questions are 100. Previously, it used to be 160, but it got reduced to 100 this year. Coming to the sections, we have logical ability, data interpretation, quantitative ability, English comprehension and language ability. The total duration of the exam is 120 minutes. And coming to the marking scheme, you will be getting plus 4 marks for every correct answer and minus 1 mark will be deducted for every incorrect answer. Remember, there is no penalty for unanswered question. So strategic guessing can be beneficial. And for SRCC GBO, there is no sectional limit. Now let's discuss about the preparation strategy. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy that you need to follow in these last few days. So focus more on topics like syllogisms, puzzles, blood relations, coding and decoding, etc. Solve at least 4 to 5 sets daily and analyze your mistakes. Coming to data interpretation, practice bar graphs, pie charts and caselets daily. And also work on quick calculations and data analysis to save time during the exam. Coming to quantitative ability, try to strengthen on the topics like arithmetic, algebra and geometry as they are very important. Practice at least 20 to 30 questions daily, focusing on your weaker areas. So solve a variety of problems to build accuracy and confidence. Next, coming to English comprehension and language ability, try to improve your RC skills, vocabulary and grammar. Regular reading and practicing comprehension passages can be very helpful. So coming to the study plan, we at Krakow had designed a study plan specifically for SRCC GBO. So if you want to follow the study plan, download the SRCC GBO study plan completely for free. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about the exam strategy. So guys, here one big advantage in the SRCC GBO exam is that there is no sectional time limit. This means you will be having the flexibility to attempt the paper in an order that works best for you. This means you can have the flexibility to attempt the paper in an order that works best for you. But how do you decide which section to attempt first? You can only decide it by practicing or giving more number of mocks. We at Krakow are providing SRCC GBO mocks. We'll be providing the links in the description. Try to take the mocks right away. So if we talk about the exam strategy, firstly you need to know your strengths and weaknesses. Identify which section you are most confident in and find out which section takes more time for you. Your strongest section should come first to build momentum. By taking mocks regularly, you can find out your strengths and weaknesses. Next, create a smart attempt order. So start with your strongest section to gain confidence, then attempt medium to difficult sections next. Try to keep your weakest section for the end to avoid time pressure. Next, experiment with mocks. Try different attempt order in mock tests and find what works best for you. Analyze your speed and accuracy in each attempt order. And more importantly, analyze your speed and accuracy in each attempt order. Stick to the best pattern for the actual exam. So make use of the mock tests to finalize your approach before the exam. And last but not the least, revision. So try to revise all the concepts or the topics that you have learned. So that's it for today guys. So if you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. In case of any doubts, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you.